I am excited because today we get to learn more about Restore Hyper Wellness. Josh, will you take us inside?
Yes, I can. Come on in.
Let's go. Okay, Josh, you gotta tell me what this big machine is.
So this is our whole body cryotherapy machine. And what really this is, cryotherapy is a modern day cold therapy. Okay, so cold therapy has been around for thousands of years, all right? But this is the advanced technology that we're gonna utilize today to help people feel a lot better.
Okay, so why would somebody use this? To feel better, but what are the benefits?
So you can imagine that getting into something cold is gonna stress the body. But there's good stress and bad stress. And this is a controlled stress. So it helps to trick the body to think that it's going through some stress. And the body has stress response. It's gonna increase our energy levels. It's gonna help us burn some calories. It's gonna give us some mood balance, some support.
So when I see people leave this area, this chamber, they've done this treatment, they look like they feel amazing, but what does it actually feel like?
So it's a gradual cold over time, right? It is not gonna be this big shock of cold. You're gonna feel kind of colder and colder as the session goes. You're only in there for 2.5 to 3 minutes, and it's a huge boost of vitality, huge boost of energy.
So people can come in and just get an instant energized boost. I love that.
Yes.
And then some long-term benefits too. Speaking of long-term benefits, you help people with skin health. I really want to learn more about that. So
Perfect.
let's
Let's
go.
go.
Check it out. This room feels very comfortable, but I know it's also very practical. Talk to us a little bit about skin health at Restore.
So we utilize the hydrofacial unit here at Restore, as well as something called CryoSkin. And we have licensed estheticians that are going to be providing this service for you. And they're going to do a skin health consultation, get down to the meat of what's going on.
Yes, absolutely. And so many people, it's very individualized. So during a consultation, what kinds of things are we expected they can address?
Right. They can address dryness, dullness, youthfulness, fine lines, plumpness, coloration. Anything that is causing someone discomfort in the mirror is something that we can address with one of the customizable boosters that Hydrofacial can offer.
Wow, that's so helpful to know that, you know, you're not just talking about feeling better, but you also get to walk in here and think about looking better as well, which we love, because when we feel better, we look better. When we look better, we feel better. It all goes together. All right, we're also going to discuss, and I want to make sure we have plenty of time for the IV stations, because this is one of my personal favorites. Will you show our viewers about that?
Yes, I can. Just follow me this way.
Let's go. So there's actually a registered nurse on staff that can help with all kinds of things in this room. Josh, walk us through some of the things that happen here.
So our nurses love to provide IV hydration, right? And so there's 20 plus micronutrients that we can add relative to sleep, stress, energy, vitality, immune support. We even have some intermuscular injections that can do just the same.
So if you're feeling a little fatigued, if you're feeling the stresses of the world, maybe you're deficient in something and it's affecting your body, you can solve those problems in just such an easy way. I love that. That's not the only thing that you do here though. There's a few other things that you offer.
Let's say you don't know why you feel a certain way. We can do some blood testing. So we do have the ability to monitor how deficient you are in certain micronutrients, what you need, what you don't need, so we can create a balanced IV or injection that's going to help you the best.
Absolutely, and that is so helpful to really know what specifically your body is lacking and then solve for those things. I've heard the term also NAD. It's a little bit of a buzz term. Can you kind of break that down for us?
Yeah, so NAD is a specialty IV therapy that we do here at Restore that is very specific to an individual. So we ask some specific questions, we make sure you're a candidate, and this can really help to revitalize your cells, revitalize kind of who you are as a person. We've seen a lot of great success with that.
Yeah, absolutely. And there's so much more that you do here at Restore. We could probably spend an entire day here learning, but we'll catch up with you next time. What else do you have that we can learn about when we come in?
Red light therapy, infrared sauna, compression therapy, mild hyperbaric oxygen therapy, the list goes on. But we'll talk more about that later.
We'll have to come back, but just come on in, give them a call. They'll help you look better, feel better, and it's just so much fun. Josh, thanks for having us.
Thank you.
And thank you.